Lights down, terminal glows. One message, then another. The wolf never starts with a threat. It starts with trust. Hyena, simple words, nothing to fear. A friendly smile whispered in your ear. 5 short messages, a perfect disguise. Building a bridge with carefully crafted lies. Report and flattery, confidence won. The trap is already quietly begun. Scarcity, pressure, authorities masked. By the 5th message comes the dangerous task. Truth doesn't panic, truth leaves a trace. Every hidden motive has a visible face. CORVUS sees what whispers hide. 6 sharp minds all side by side. No single voice decides what's true. Consensus breaks deception through. CRONOS seals what time can't erase. Shot to by thick scards every trace. Delete the record if you dare. The missing truth is written there. Grice hears silence speaking loud. Carnegie reads the charming crowd. Aristotle weighs heart and mind. Berne reveals control behind. Linguistics catches every shift. Patterns no deceiver can lift. Peirce connects what others found. Turning scattered clues to solid ground. One alarm is only noise. Evidence demands more voices. 2 independent paths agree. Only then the verdict speaks. CORVUS sees what whispers hide. 6 sharp minds all side by side. No single voice decides what's true. Consensus breaks deception through. CRONOS seals what time can erase. Shock to by thick scards every trace. Delete the record if you dare. The missing truth is written there. Qwen tells the story, never makes the call. The verdict stands before the words at all. Read only, witness explaining the case, while deterministic proof holds its place. Fraction precision of floating dreams.